Welcome to today's cooking video. We are making the world-famous Indian tandoori chicken, juicy, smoky, and full of spices. Let's get started. Take 500 grams of chicken, preferably with bone. Make deep cuts on the pieces so the marinade can soak in well. In a bowl, add juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix well and rub this onto the chicken. Leave aside for 15 minutes. Now for the heart of our tandoori chicken, the second marinade. This is where we build those iconic deep layers of flavor and that beautiful, vibrant color. In a separate bowl, start with half a cup of thick hung yogurt. It's crucial that the yogurt is thick so it clings to the chicken. To this, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for a pungent kick. Now for our spice blend. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder for an earthy note, 2 teaspoons of warm garam masala, and 1 teaspoon each of cumin and coriander powder. For heat and that classic red color, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Using Kashmiri chili powder will give you a brilliant color with less heat. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of pungent mustard oil, essential for that authentic flavor. Whisk everything together until you have a completely smooth, vibrant, and fragrant paste. Now, add the chicken from the first marinade and use your hands to massage the mixture into every piece. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 3 hours. For the most tender and flavorful results, I highly recommend marinating it overnight. This allows the spices to penetrate deep into the meat. First, let's get the oven ready. Go ahead and preheat it to a high temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. This initial blast of heat is crucial for creating that signature tandoori char on the outside, while keeping the inside incredibly moist. Now, arrange your marinated chicken pieces on a grill rack set over a baking tray. Using a rack is a great trick. It allows hot air to circulate, ensuring the chicken cooks evenly and gets crispy. Slide it into the oven and roast for 25 to 30 minutes, turning the pieces once midway through. You're looking for the chicken to be beautifully browned and slightly charred at the edges. The juices should run clear when pierced. While traditionally made in a clay tandoor, your home oven is a fantastic substitute for achieving that authentic flavor. Finally, let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This guarantees every bite is succulent and delicious. Once cooked, brush with a little butter or ghee for added flavor. Garnish with onion rings, lemon wedges, and fresh coriander leaves. And there you have it. Your delicious tandoori chicken is ready. Look at that vibrant color and beautiful smoky char. The aroma is irresistible, promising tangy, spicy flavors. Thanks to our marination, each piece is incredibly tender and juicy. A restaurant-quality experience you've created right at home. This is perfect with warm naan and a side of cooling green chutney. A simple salad of sliced onions and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will elevate the dish, creating the perfect bite every time. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share for more authentic cooking videos. Let us know how it turned out.